Hi and welcome to another video. We've had a break-in, as you can see in the description. I'll take you through what happened.
I will look for you. I will find you.
So initially they went through, or tried to go through this door, but it's blocked off from the inside with old furniture. But when they gained access through the basement, they went into this room and stole our cars, along with some other things. And this was their point of entry through this blocked off basement, which we are going to block off again. And then they left through the door and left it open. So our neighbors saw the door open and told us the sad news. So the burglars went through the basement door, as this was the only point of entry where they could get in. So what we're going to do is we're going to block this one temporarily from the inside. Hey Anna, how's it going?
Baby steps.
Again?
As always.
Yeah. So what I've done is put some screws in just to close the door properly, and then I'm gonna put some of this heavy stuff in front of it. That's about it. It's not gonna keep anyone who really wants to get into the house, but it's gonna make it a bit more difficult. Okay, Anna, so what do you think about the situation?
No bottom here. So no, it's very sad when somebody breaks into your house, even though we didn't have anything of value, but it was a sentimental value with the old car. So yeah, just very sad. But the positive side is that we have super nice neighbors who helped us. So we're very happy.
So Anna, what's up with all the bottles?
No, it's just very nice to look at all the bottles, and of course we're not able to save all of them. We're just going to keep some of them, but I look through them and see. Cortese del Piemonte.
Not really local, huh? Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is try to block off this door from the inside. Hi Anna! Okay, the camera switched off for some reason while I was doing this. The basement is now blocked off from the inside. It's by no means a perfect job, but it's gonna keep the whoever's trying to get in is gonna have a bit harder time than before.
Come and see what I found. Zucchini flowers. Beautiful zucchini flowers.
Okay, so that's it for this episode. Thank you all for watching and subscribing.
And thank you so much for all your wedding congratulations for us.
Yeah, thank you very much. Until next time. Ciao!